Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So today I'm making a pumpkin cheesecake dip. And this is great for tailgating and having a party or a dessert or even a little snack. So let's get right into it. So the first ingredient is 8 ounces of organic cream cheese. The next is 1 can of pumpkin puree, organic pumpkin puree. Next is a half a cup of powdered sugar. The next is 1 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. And the 8 ounces of cream cheese is already mixed, and now all we have to put in is the powdered sugar. So let's put it in and mix it up. This is so great for a party or a little dessert, and this looks so good right now. And it's mixed, yep, right here. We just have to get all the powdered sugar. And we keep it low to the bowl. A tip, keep it low to the bowl so it doesn't spray up. And it's about mixed. And now we get our spoon and our can of organic pumpkin puree, and we spoon it in there. Because of course it's October and we're making pumpkin, and it's so festive. It's festivity that counts, and it is very festive. I love pumpkin. It brings out the color. Yep, that smells good. And now we get our vanilla extract and our cinnamon. And now we mix that all up. This looks great. It's very festive colors. Ooh, this looks like autumn. It looks it looks very good. And you want to mix this till blended. And in about a few seconds, this will be all blended, and it looks great. This looks great. It looks autumn, festive. And now we have a little platter, but hold on. We move this out of the way. Put these over here. And we have different variety of things here, and let's just dollop this in here. This looks really great. Autumn colors, pumpkins, it's very festive, and I love this. It can be for tailgating, it can be for desserts, it can be pretty much for everything. You can have a little snack, and looks about good. Put this over here, and let's try it. This looks very good. That's so good, guys. You should really make this. When you do, it's really good. And this is what it looks like. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And see you next time, guys. Bye.